Welcome to our guide on using the Bloomberg terminal for trading success in 2025. Let's explore how this powerful tool can enhance your trading strategies. First, we'll look at setting up your Bloomberg terminal. Customize your workspace to access the tools and data most relevant to your trading needs. Next, let's utilize market data. Access real-time price quotes and engage in detailed historical data analysis to stay informed. Make the most of analytical tools offered by Bloomberg. Charting and technical analysis features will provide insights essential to your trading decisions. Stay updated with Bloomberg News. Knowledge of current market trends and events is crucial for making informed trading decisions. Now, let's go over executing trades. Learn about the order management and trade execution process to ensure your trades are executed smoothly. It's time to monitor your portfolio. Use the tools for performance tracking and risk management to keep your investments on track. For advanced traders, explore analytics and backtesting strategies. These functions can enhance your trading strategies significantly. Networking is vital in trading. Bloomberg allows you to engage with analysts and other traders, creating valuable connections. In conclusion, follow these best practices to maximize your trading success with the Bloomberg terminal. Your journey starts now.